Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, and today we're in the streets of Nairobi and we're going to be asking Kenyans between the country Uganda and Rwanda, where would they prefer to live and work?
Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to our channel. You can also leave a comment down below so that you can let us know what you think about this episode.
Come with us, let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Laura.
Laura?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Uganda and Rwanda?
Yeah.
What do you know about them, or what have you heard about them?
Well, for Uganda, I know them for their food,
Okay.
their culture maybe. While Rwanda, it's known to be the cleanest country in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so today we are asking Kenyans, between Rwanda and Uganda, if you're given the opportunity, which country would you like to live and work?
Well, I'd say Rwanda.
Is there a reason?
Yeah, because first, hygiene, it's the cleanest, while it's said to have the tallest guys. So yeah, I'd prefer living in Rwanda.
Rwanda.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Rwandese.
Silver Dizzy.
Yeah, official.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Uganda and Rwanda?
Yeah.
What do you know? What have you heard about them, or what do you know about them?
Okay, Uganda, one thing I know in Uganda, the food, iko fiti, and the Ugandans are talented actually. Yeah, that's why I love Ugandan. Yeah.
Yeah. And about talent, you've mentioned that Ugandans are talented. Do you know maybe talent from Uganda and what they do?
Yeah. Actually, the dance, Ugandan, they have talent. Dance actually, most of Kenyan dancers, TikTokers, content creator, most wametoa dance kutoka from Uganda. Yeah.
Okay. And what have you heard, or what do you know about Rwanda?
Rwanda, what? The Rwanda, one thing I know, the ladies, man, the ladies are pretty. Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I know.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, between Uganda and Rwanda, which country would you prefer to live and work if you are given the opportunity?
Uganda.
Is there a reason?
Yeah. Because Uganda, there is the future. If you see the weather, the food. Like me, I prefer Uganda because the Uganda, they are most. Even food is not expensive like Kenyans. Yeah,
so life is affordable.
Yeah, affordable. Yeah, that's all I know.
Oh, okay, so and if you're given an opportunity to marry between a Ugandan lady and a Rwandese lady, who would you prefer?
Hey,
that's a tough one, I know.
But Rwanda have pretty ladies, and the girls, they are pretty, man. What?
Okay, so thank you so much for your time. And for our Ugandan fans who are watching and the Rwandese fans who are watching, any parting words you'd like to tell them?
Okay, the Ugandans, what I can tell them, you just continue with your talent, and another thing is that continue with your talent. That's the message I can pass to them.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Tevin.
Tevin.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Uganda and Rwanda?
Yeah, I know them.
What do you know them for, Ama? What do you know about them?
Let me start with Rwanda. Rwanda is a clean country. It has a small population of people. And let me say their president is called Paul, but the second name I don't know it, but anyway.
Paul Kagame.
Paul Kagame, yeah.
Okay.
Paul Kagame.
Okay.
Yeah. I know small about Rwanda, but it's a very good country indeed.
Right.
Yeah.
What about Uganda?
Uganda is well known for their food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Their food is very delicious. Starting with the matoke. Yeah.
Have you ever encountered any Ugandans here in Kenya?
Ugandans say? Let me say. But I don't know it very well, but no.
Would you like to meet a Ugandan person?
Yeah. I would like to see how they do talk. They don't know how to talk.
They don't know how to talk.
There is a language they don't know how to talk. The Kiswahili.
Oh, they don't know Swahili.
Yeah.
But generally, you love how they speak.
Love how they speak. Yeah.
So today's main question is between Uganda and Rwanda, which country would you prefer if you were given the chance to live and work? Which country would you prefer?
I would rather go to Rwanda.
Is there a reason?
Yeah. It's has a small population.
Okay.
And it's a very clean country. Has a very beautiful ladies.
So that brings me to the next question. If you were to get a bride from Uganda or Rwanda, who would you marry?
From Rwanda, obvious, because there's a say, and there's a girl who I saw my friend got married to, was a Rwanda. Man, she was beautiful. Yeah.
Okay, so that brings me to the next question. Between these two countries, if you're given a chance to visit, which one would you give priority to? Where would you like to go first?
I'll start with Rwanda and then finish with Uganda, because Uganda they know how to piga sherehe.
So you'd like to go to Uganda so that you can stay there longer?
The sherehe. You know, Kenyans we love the sherehe, so we go there.
Where the party is.
The party is.
Hey, Ugandans, you hear that? Okay, sir, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you. Well, you're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sijash Sika.
Shika.
Sijashika? No, It is Sijash Sika.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the countries Rwanda and Uganda?
Yeah, I know Uganda and Rwanda, yeah.
What do you know them for?
I know Uganda being one of the countries in in Africa against homosexuality. Yeah.
Okay.
Rwanda, I know a little about Rwanda. Yeah, let me not hide.
What's the little you know about Rwanda?
Is it the country that has short people?
Actually, it's the opposite. They have the tallest. The one of the countries that has tall people.
Okay.
Yeah. And do you know the president of these two countries?
I know the president of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni.
And you don't know Rwanda?
Rwanda, I don't know. I think I should research on that.
Okay, so the Rwanda's president is called Paul Kagame. Have you heard of him?
Paul Kagame, yeah. I've heard of that name.
What have you heard about him?
I just heard of Paul Kagame.
Okay. So today we're asking Kenyans, if you're given a chance to live and work in these two countries, which one would you prefer?
I think I'll go with Uganda. I want to live in a country that is very strict with the measures. You know, I'm one of the few people who is against homosexual.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Abdirazak.
Huh?
Abdirazak Abdiaziz.
Abdi.
Abdi, yeah.
Okay. So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Uganda and Rwanda?
Yeah, I know, yeah. But I was not in there, but I had a lot of in the internet.
All right. So what do you know about the countries, or what have you heard about them?
In Rwanda, I think in Uganda, at least I know some Somalis are there. My friends studying there in Uganda. But I have never been in Rwanda, and I never had anything.
Would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Rwanda, yeah, but I had a lot of in Uganda, Kampala. Okay.
So today's main question is, between Uganda and Rwanda, which country would you like to live and work in?
I think in Rwanda.
Is there a reason?
I think it's more beautiful than Uganda.
Okay.
I think and the economy is good also. I think I will prefer in Rwanda.
Rwanda.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for your time.
Okay. Thank you.